Welcome back. Now we are going to the eighth numerical in the first exercise of some applications of trigonometry. The question is, a statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees, and from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. Find the height of the pedestal. Now we are expected to find the height of the pedestal. So just like the previous problem, there it was height of tower. Here is the height of the pedestal. So we have a pedestal, and on top of this pedestal is a statue. So this is our statue. Height of statue is given to us. Height of statue is 1.6 meter. Height of pedestal we'll call it as h. This h we need to find. The height of the pedestal we need to find. Now they're telling us from the top of the pedestal, the angle formed is 45 degrees. This angle is given to us as 45 degrees. And from the top of the statue, the angle is 60 degrees. This angle is 60 degrees. So what we will do is first we will take that 45-degree angle and find the distance. Using that, we can find the height of the pedestal. So we will take this 45-degree angle first, which means I have only the pedestal. Height of the pedestal is h. Angle formed is 45 degrees. This is the distance from the point to the pedestal. We'll call the distance as x. So this is the opposite and this is the base. Which trigonometric ratio relates opposite and base? You know the answer. It is tan. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent or opposite by base. Now your angle is 60 degrees. So tan 45 degrees is h by x. Tan 45 is 1. Tan 45 degrees is 1. Therefore, I have 1 is equal to h by x, or x is h. The distance of the base is the same thing as the height of the pedestal. X is equal to h. Now I will use the second angle. For the second angle, what do I have? I have the pedestal and I have the statue. Height of statue is 1.6. Height of pedestal is h. So total height will be 1.6 plus h. This angle is given to me 60 degrees. And this distance is h. Just now we found x is h. So base is h. Again, opposite and base, tan theta, tan 60 degrees is equal to 1.6 plus h divided by h, because the angle height is 1.6 plus h. 1.6 for the statue, h for the pedestal. So 1.6 plus h divided by h. We just found x is h, same value. Tan 60 degrees is root 3. Tan 60 degrees is root 3. So we have root 3 is equal to 1.6 h by h. Cross multiply. Root 3h is equal to 1.6 plus h. Bring h on the other side. If I bring h on the other side, I will have root 3h minus h is equal to 1.6. H is common. I'm left out with root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6, or h is 1.6 by root 3 minus 1. This is the height of the pedestal, 1.6 by root 3 minus 1. Now I can simplify this because the denominator that root 3 is there, I can rationalize it. So I will rationalize the denominator. I will rationalize the denominator. How to rationalize? Multiply with the conjugate. So h is equal to 1.6 by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. So I'll get h is equal to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. It is a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So here it will be root 3 square minus 1 square. So h will be 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 square is 3, 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So h is 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 will go 0.8. 2 8s are 16, right? So 0.8 times, which means now I have h. H will be 0.8 into root 3 plus 1. 2 ones are 2.8. This is the height of the pedestal. Height of pedestal. This is the height of the pedestal. 0.8 into root 3 plus 1. Similar to the previous problem, but here height of pedestal is asked. Their height of tower was asked. So statue is 1.6 meter. Height of pedestal is h. Angle, first formed angle with the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. So we use that. Tan 45 is 1. So we get x and h as the same value. So height of pedestal and distance from the pedestal is the same. So x is equal to h. Now use that in the second case. Second case, the total height will be 1.6 plus h. Statue is 1.6 plus pedestal divided by the distance, that is the base, which is h. Tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 is equal to 1.6 plus h by h. Cross multiply, bring h on the other side. You will get h is equal to 1.6 by root 3 minus 1. You can stop here or you can rationalize the denominator. If you want to rationalize the denominator, multiply and divide by conjugate. So root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. Here 1.6 into root 3 plus 1. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. That is 3 minus 1, which is 2. So 1.6 by 2 is 0.8. 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 is the height of the pedestal.